Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basic 3D modeling. Exercise number 2. First, select the new part. Then select front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D sketch as given in the manual. Now, specify the dimensions of the sketch using Smart Dimension command. Then, after dimensioning, select Features option, select Extruded Bars, give the end condition to be midplane, and the depth as 60 mm as given in the manual. As we have a hole in the base of the part, select top plane and sketch. Now, select the circle command and draw a circle over the part. Specify its vertical and horizontal dimensions with respect to the part using Smart Dimension command. Now select Features option, in that select Extruded Cut. Select the end condition to be blind, then OK. Now select right plane for sketch, then select the line command and draw a line at the base of the part. Convert the baselines. Trim the unwanted areas. Specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Now select Features, then Extruded Cut. Change the direction of the end condition and give OK. Now, under the fillet option, select chamfer and select one corner of the part and specify the distance to be 15 mm as given in the manual.
Now specify the material of the component under Edit Material. Then apply the material IS2062.
That's it. Our part is ready.